Ever thought going keto meant giving up flavor and fun at dinner time? Think again. The keto lifestyle can be mouth-watering, satisfying, and the perfect excuse to gather everyone around the table without missing the pasta, bread, or sugar. Whether you're new to low-carb living or a seasoned pro, these keto dinner ideas will show you how to keep it bold, comforting, and absolutely crave-worthy. Keto dinners aren't about sacrificing taste. They're about transforming classic favorites into healthier, low-carb versions your entire family and friends can enjoy. With the right ingredients and a pinch of creativity, you can create hearty meals that fuel your body and wow your taste buds. Let's dive into some flavorful dishes that are easy to make, packed with nutrients, and sure to impress. Cheesy garlic butter chicken serves 4 ingredients: 4 boneless chicken thighs, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 4 cloves garlic, minced, ½ cup heavy cream, ½ cup shredded mozzarella, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions: heat olive oil in a skillet over medium-high. Season chicken with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Sear each side until golden and cook through, about 6 to 7 minutes. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, lower heat and sauté garlic until fragrant. Stir in cream, mozzarella, and Parmesan. Simmer until melted and slightly thickened. Return chicken to pan and coat in sauce. Garnish with parsley. Serve with steamed broccoli or cauliflower rice. Zucchini lasagna boats serves 4 ingredients: 2 large zucchinis, halved lengthwise and scooped, ½ pound ground beef, ½ cup sugar-free marinara, ½ teaspoon oregano, 1/4 cup ricotta cheese, ½ cup shredded mozzarella, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a skillet, brown the beef with oregano, salt, and pepper. Add marinara and simmer 5 minutes. Place zucchini halves in a baking dish. Fill with meat sauce, a spoon of ricotta, and top with mozzarella. Bake for 20 minutes or until cheese is golden. Serve hot with a fresh arugula salad. Tips to maximize flavor and fun on keto. Don't shy away from herbs and spices your tongue craves excitement. Swap out carb-heavy sides for roasted veggies, mashed cauliflower, or cheesy baked mushrooms. Always keep keto pantry essentials handy: coconut oil, almond flour, and plenty of cheese. Dinner is more than just food, it's connection, joy, and flavor. With these recipes, your keto table will become everyone's favorite place to be.